everyone, Assalamualaikum. How are you all? I hope so that my viewers are fine and good. God bless you. Keep smiling and always be happy in your life. First of all, I'm thankful to you for watching my all the videos. Now you all see different, amazing, beautiful women braided bun. These are so attractive and so classy. I hope that you will love these hairstyling ideas. So guys, for those ladies searching amazing and fabulous hairstyling ideas, so this is the best option for them. They can make their own hair with using these braided bun ideas. So here are some ideas of woman braided bun. The first is elegant and timeless. A braided bun exudes sophistication, making it perfect for formal event, wedding, and special occasion. The intricate braid woven into the bun add a refined touch. Next is a versatile. Braided bun can be styled in various ways, sleek and tight, loose and relaxed, or incorporating different braiding technique like fishtail, waterfall, or rope braid. Next is a volume enhancing. Braiding the hair before creating the bun add volume and depth, making the hairstyle look fuller and more textured. The next is a durable. Braided bun are known for their staying power. With a well secured braid, the style can hold all day long without needing constant adjustment. So the next is a perfect for all hair length, whether you have long, medium, or short hair. Braided bun can be adapted to suit your length using twists, extensions, or layered braid. Now the next is a can be dressy or casual depending on the accessories and styling approach. Braided bun can be accessorized for a casual outing. So next is a flattering on different face shape. Braided bun frame the face beautifully, drawing attention to the cheekbone and jawline, making it a flattering choice for various face shape. So guys, I hope so that you all love all these braided bun ideas. So guys, thank you so much for watching this video. If you love these ideas, you can download this video and you can take the screenshots which one you like. And if you want more and more hairstyling and hair cutting ideas, so like my video and keep subscribe my channel and press the bell icon. After subscribing my channel, you will receive new and latest updates and ideas related to hairstyling, hair cutting, and hair coloring ideas. So, guys, be connected with me and remember me in your on precious prayers. Take care, friends. God bless you. Keep smiling. Allah Hafiz.